Right, this is what I put that motor on. Only about a 17 horsepower. I'm starting to change the battery. I just don't like that long line of wire up here. I like the tank that's up here in the front as well. And so we're about to start it out. Did not too many wiring modifications. Want to make sure that the battery's charging. And make sure it's not leaking gas too. All right, here we go. Brake is on. Got the choke on. Check the governor on that. Alright, I put a different carburetor on there. The one that I had used before was just not good enough. This one has everything sealed inside of it good. It's clean, and you can tell it runs a whole lot better. So, yeah, this mower's doing good. Any more really high grass to go. I loaded it all up already. Yeah, I like that it's not surging anymore. All right, let's check the startup. Why it backfires up there at the start. Maybe a little, I need to check the valves maybe. Oh, by the way, it is getting good 14 volts. Let me, I'm going to try to shut it off that way and then start it. See if I still get a backfire at the start. Alright, that was better. Probably because I cut that backfire preventer. But you let it, you give it some time and it won't do that. So,